New Jersey homeowners can now get up to $16,000 in rebates for installing things like heat pumps. But most people don't even know this program exists. And honestly, when they do hear about it, they get confused. They think, do I have to remove my furniture? Does my house need more electric? Or do heat pumps really work in northern New Jersey? So the reality is that a lot of homes can have full heat pumps as your only source of heating. However, that's not for every home. But every home in New Jersey can definitely have what's called a hybrid heating system. So what does that mean? It's a heat pump that handles heating and cooling most of the year, but it actually has a furnace as well, and that will handle the very cold days. So you get better efficiency, better comfort, and you can still rely on your furnace when it's really freezing outside. Because New Jersey wants homeowners to move towards a more efficient heating, they offer utility rebates. It could be up to $16,000 depending on the scenario, and of course you get 0% financing for 7 years. And the building decarb program, what makes it different than the energy efficiency program, is it goes up to $50,000 that you're able to finance at 0%. These programs are part of the New Jersey Building Decarbonization Initiative. The hardest part isn't installing the equipment. It's figuring out which program do you qualify for, which equipment works best in your house, and how to actually get the rebates. At Integrate Comfort Systems, this is what we help homeowners do every single day. We navigate through all this stuff. We design heat pump systems that actually work in New Jersey's cold climate, and we help homeowners take advantage of the incentives that are available. So if you're thinking of replacing your existing cooling or heating system, or you're in the middle of renovating your house, this is the time to consider looking into these programs. If you are curious whether your home qualifies, visit icshvac.com and let's book a consultation. Reach out to one of our team members and we'll walk you right through the process. Most people do not realize how big these incentives are until they see them.